Are you confused about which web server to use? Today, we'll compare Traefik and Nginx. Both tools help manage web traffic, but they serve different needs. Traefik is a modern reverse proxy. It automatically routes your traffic based on your services. It's great for microservices and cloud native applications. Traefik is easy to set up and works well with Docker and Kubernetes. Its dynamic configuration makes it a favorite for developers who need flexibility. On the other hand, Nginx is a classic web server. It's powerful and can handle a lot of connections at once. Nginx is known for its speed and reliability. It's used for serving static content and can also act as a reverse proxy. Many large websites trust Nginx for its performance and stability. Now, let's look at key differences. Traffic is designed for dynamic environments. It automatically updates routes without needing a restart. Nginx requires more manual configuration, which can be a bit complex. However, Nginx has been around longer and has a larger community for support. When it comes to features, Traefik shines with its built-in support for Let's Encrypt and automatic SSL management. Nginx also supports SSL but requires more setup. Nginx offers advanced caching and load balancing features, which are great for high traffic sites. In terms of pricing, both tools are open source. Traefik has a paid version with extra features, while Nginx offers a commercial version for additional support. So, who should choose what? If you're working with microservices or need an easy setup, go for Traefik. If you need a reliable, high performance server for a large website, Nginx is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights.